All right, so I'm going to go over the process of installing Outlook or Office for your computer. As a student at the college, you get free access to Outlook 365. So I'm going to go to my.macomb.edu. This is also available through the macomb.edu page. If you go to current students, MyMacomb sign in, that's the same spot. I just like to go mymacomb.edu. It takes me right here. So I'm going to log in with my same stuff that I used to log in to MyMacomb. And then I wait. And then on the left side here, you should see Office 365 right there. And if you click that, it'll take you to Office 365. Yes, I want to stay signed into this one. That's fine. And then here's all the applications that are available. So you can install Office. So on your home computer, you can say, I want to install Office 365 apps. And in some cases, you're able to just use, I'll change it later. You're able to use some of these apps right away, okay? So like Sway is an online app. You can click on Sway, and that will let you just start working right in the app. Whereas something like Word, you can click on it, save stuff, work on stuff here. But typically I have these kind of apps installed on my computer. The college also uses OneDrive, so on your home computer I would recommend installing OneDrive as well. For most classes, having Outlook is great because you can close that. You can manage your email and stuff if you don't have an email managing app. Word is great for typing documents that you need to have. OneNote I'm going to go over, but it's really awesome. I will cover some of the stuff in that. And then OneDrive is good too because it manages your information across multiple platforms. So if I go to my OneDrive here and I put any stuff inside of my folder right in here, that information is available anytime I log into my OneDrive account anywhere else. So that's really awesome. So I could close OneDrive here. I could open my OneDrive folder, change my settings, log in, log out of it. And then any of the files that I have on one computer will show up on other computers. So it really does give you a nice way to stay connected to all of that stuff. All right. So and that's it. That's how you install Office.